I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. Why am I scared? I think I'm fine. I think I'll go back though. Joke lang. I'm fine. I'm not scared. No. There's really nothing to be afraid of. Okay, it's your turn. You're gonna go swim now. I'm gonna drown you now. Are you good? Hello? Hi. Alright, we're testing. This is the start of La Verde right there. Yep. I got my gear on. Shoes there. Have my my phone, my dry bag there. This is usually just for my ice spikes, but yeah. All right, let's begin. Solo hike. I'm not gonna let you stick around for too long since I want to save on battery. Probably like in 15 minutes or so I'll turn you back on, and then you'll get to see like what's inside of the forest. But so far this is what you can see. What do you see? I wonder. Oh, I can't even see that. It's just recording on its own. Alright. This is the testing of the GoPro. Not sure how the sound quality is, but nobody's around and I don't hear any noise. So this is as crisp as my sound can be. You can hear the birds. Oh, almost spilled my coffee there. Okay, there we go. Alright. See you later. Alright, so I think it's 15 minutes in. This is what the terrain looks like so far. A bit muddy here and there, but overall like mostly dry leaves. This area specifically kind of feels slippery, but I got good gear on. I got good shoes on, so I won't feel too bad if I do hurt myself, because I got like ankle protection. This is what the trees look like. Actually, maybe I should show you what I'm. But 1 second, sorry. There we go. All right. Yeah, that's better. Left hand vlogging. Okay. Yeah, I look a little too extra for a day hike. Like I'm carrying way too much stuff, but that's okay. It's better than not having a lot. And besides, by the time I come back, I probably won't even have any water left. So that should be good. So I have like an extra bottle there. Plus I have my coffee that I haven't finished. I'm gonna use that for like my little garbage bin if I do have any garbage that I need to collect, so that I don't have to like throw or litter anywhere else. And then yeah, it looks so beautiful here. So many big rocks too, so you got to be careful where you step. It seems very empty as of now, but I did pass by a couple of people, or a couple groups of two, or nobody was with me on the way in, so I'm guessing I'm probably going to be the only one by the time I reach there, so that's a good thing. Actually, I'm not sure if that's a good thing, because I also don't want to be alone. Last night I was thinking about it. If there's not a lot of people with me, then that means there would be more animals around, such as snakes or frogs. But they said like there are no venomous snakes here in Canada, so I think that should be good. But frogs, however, I'm not terrified of frogs, but the only reason why I'm terrified of frogs is because I don't have any exposure to them. So yeah, I'm only terrified of the things I don't know. So there's that. Anyway, this is what I'm looking at right now. I'm gonna be careful not to drop it. Oh, there you go. Mud. Oh, where do I go now? Here? I think here. Okay. All right. Yep. I think I'm going the right way. It's pretty quiet and I don't hear any birds. I'm not scared. It's a common trail. People pass by this area a lot. I turned the camera on so that I don't feel alone, but I probably am right now. So whoever's watching, just keep an eye out for me, please. How's everyone? You good? I don't know where I'm going, but I'm guessing this is the trail. I'll just follow where my guts lead me. Left. Little life update. I finished my first year in uni. Oh, there are people. Great. Good day.
How's it going?
Good, how are you? Should I just stop for a chat? Oh, she's gone. Okay. Maybe I should have stopped and talked to her. Oh well. She looked like she wanted to talk to me. I didn't get the hint. Anyway, what was I talking about? Yeah. So, life update. I finished my first year in uni. Not that it was my first year. I got a job as a HR auditing manager. Oh, it's going great. I'm fine. I'm currently taking a couple courses this summer, just studying online, trying to get my degree faster. So that's what I'm doing. And let's see. I finished the big painting, which is great. I'm gonna jump. Ow. It's good. I'm fine. Hello.
Hey.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good too. Was it nice?
It's very nice. You're only about 5 minutes away.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hi.
Careful, it's a mucky mess.
It is. Kind of slippery if you don't have the right shoes on. Have a good day. 5 minutes! 5 minutes! And the GoPro's not even halfway. Yeah, it's still full charge. Nice. Okay. So, my legs are definitely dirty from the mud. For sure. For sure, for sure. This is a good angle. Big rock. Okay, this is, I'm gonna go up them. It's a bit of an elevation at this point, which means we're going up the waterfall. But good news, I can hear it. I don't know if you can, but I can hear the water and it's loud. Almost there. All right, see you there. See that water? That water means we're almost to the falls. My boots got drenched in mud, but after that big slab of rock, I'm sure you'd be very amazed about what's to happen. All right. Here it is. Yeah, not too long. Not too long of a hike. See? Fairly easy to do. I have to put something down first. This is a bit steep. A little bit. Not used to holding two things at the same time. Excuse me. What I'm drinking, you say? This is what we call a double-double. 2 shots espresso, 2 milk, or 2 cream, I think. You can see it. I think you can see it from there. That is definitely where we're going. And we're here. You don't see it yet. Hold on. I'll walk towards it. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, beautiful. Je suis ici, la partie. That is strong current. Wow. Wow. I'm the only one here. I knew it, but I don't know if I'm very happy about that. I'm the only one here in this crazy big waterfall. Okay, what do we do? Alright, just look at it for a second when I get closer. Is that a snake? No, it's not. Okay. Oh my god. I'm fine. I'm not scared. 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 Mag-isa lang ako. Mag-isa lang ako. Hello. Echo. I usually just sit here on this rock. I'm gonna put you down here too. Don't slip. Alright, how are you doing? I'm on a rock. I don't know if I'm stable enough, and I don't know if you're stable too, but let's see if I put you down there. Ah! That's the fall. That's the falls. I'm not tired at all. Not tired. I'm gonna wash my feet because I'm like full of mud. We're gonna check to see the water temperature. I'm not scared. Why am I scared? I think I'm fine. I think I'll go back though. I'm shaking. God damn it. Dito na nga lang ako. Ba't kasi ako mag-isa lang dito? Joke lang. I'm fine. I'm not scared. No. It's so hot. Okay. I have my swimsuit on actually. I was really planning on swimming, but I don't know. I don't know yet. This one's a Scarpa. Those are my shoes. I'll try and go for a quick swim. I'll just dip my toes, see where it takes us. The water is so cold. The water is so cold. I'm not gonna swim. Not yet, at least. Alright, I'm gonna sit over on this area. Hopefully you can see it and clear view of the waterfalls from there. We are at 64% for the GoPro. I was able to figure out how to get to that top of the rock, and I'm so happy I was able to get there. No frogs, no snakes, whatever. I'm safe. That's perfect. Alright, I'm alone in a good way. And one thing is, if you're crossing these big stones, the big stones are slippery, so it's always best to just like step on the smaller stones, even though they're like really icy and cold. They have a little bit of traction for your feet, so you won't be able to slip and hit your head on the rocks. Avoid the big rocks. I'm gonna go up there, read a book for like 5-10 minutes, and hopefully, like, you know, if I'm up for it, I'll go for a swim. Yeah. Also, shout out to the stick. Always just helping me poke the stones to see if they're slippery or not. It really helps. Kudos to the stick. I'll lay it down here if I need you again. Take you with me. I'm gonna bring you over there. Okay, we're gonna go for a swim. Let's go. There's nothing here. That's moist. Moss. Moss is slippery for sure, for sure. That's slippery too. But that's the only way to get there. In that case, I'll just put you here. you waterproof? Alright, you're coming with me. Alright, I'm gonna show you what it looks like underneath. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Here we go. 35%. Oh man, it feels so good. I literally just I face my fears, that's for sure. I face my fears. There's really nothing to be afraid of. Why am I like this? Alright. Okay, it's your turn. You're gonna go swim now. Alright? I'm gonna drown you now. Are you good? Hello? Oh, you're alive. Okay, good. That's great. Alright. Looks like this is waterproof and looks like the battery is not that bad. So, yeah. I'll let you look at the falls. I'm gonna, oh, sorry. I'm going to drown you one more time. Ready? 1, 2. The water is so clear. The water is so clear. And I feel super happy. I'm always happy when I'm here. And yeah. So I think I'm good. I was able to have a dip. I was able to visit Lavredi again. And yeah, I think I should head home right before the battery dies. So that's about it. See you. Bye.